मिर्ची लगने वाला भी आएगा, रुकिए जरा।
अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा, जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
No,
I did not even refer to the CBI. Sir, over 6,900 cases of corruption. So 361 corruption cases. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding.
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया।
मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। He should apologize or it should be expunged. You know what? No way.
चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
ये सर आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए। पहले सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट बिल आएगा, फिर एनआरसी लागू होगा। 350 people have been given citizenship under the CA called तानाशाही। ताना dictatorial, acerbic, Shah, emperor. This sort of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing.
इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है बताइए। कोई ये तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का।
Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.
So discussion on the Union Home Ministry today is being initiated by the All India Trinamool Congress. And guess who does Mamata Banerjee give the responsibility for initiating this discussion? She gives it to a 38-year-old MP who was thrown into jail for 6 months by the Modi government. So in the last week, we have this. मिर्ची लगने वाला भी आएगा, रुकिए जरा। Sir, with this notification, they enhanced the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers. ठीक है? They did this in the opposition ruled states of West Bengal and Punjab. You increase the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers in Punjab, West Bengal. In Gujarat, on the other hand, sir, which is BJP ruled, the jurisdiction of the BSF was reduced from 80 kilometers to 50 kilometers. Inside the borders is the job of the state police, sir. But again, infringing on the rights of states, you've given that power to the BSF to control it. So my state, West Bengal, is unique, sir. We have the longest international border of any state in India. We also share our border with 3 countries, sir. Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Anything that happens in these areas, sir, we are also gateway to the northeast. Any geopolitical tension has a direct bearing on us. You would expect that the Union Home Ministry would want to work together with the state, give the state its dues. So there is some data which I want to present here, which just shows how Bengal is being treated, sir. Sir, in 2011-12, for the safety of women, that bill has made its way to the president, who will only assent to it based on...
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे, एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं। ये क्या मीमांसा करे? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा, जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
Honorable member.
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
No.
I did not even refer to the CBI. Anyway, sir, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए. He's free to do that.
Saket.
Sir, over 6,900 cases of corruption
Please continue.
have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield.
Second.
I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for...
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.
मैंने इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर, ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए, नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है। जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई, ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर, चीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की, चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की दी गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाई कोर्ट में, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। आप हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर किए गए हैं, और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
Honorable member, and I'll appeal to the members.
All these things can happen in the
Keep
reply,
this in
sir.
mind and continue.
All this can happen in the reply. ठीक है sir, I'm going to skip CBI and ED. I just want to make one thing clear,
No,
sir.
you made a wrong observation about Darge.
I'm skipping it.
No,
Sir,
continue.
sir, मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। On इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो तो आता है सर, होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर सर, this is not fair at all. This is not fair at all.
You need to withdraw.
This is absolutely not fair, sir. No, this is my time. So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No.
They can say their part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what? No way. For what?
For making a submission.
For what? Ridiculous.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना नाम शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
A former director of the Intelligence Bureau, this is 2013, under the previous government, he said that structural changes to the IB, the Intelligence Bureau, have not happened since the 1980s. And at that time, he called for urgent legislative and structural changes to the functioning of the Intelligence Bureau to make it more independent. This was 2013, sir. So that former director of Intelligence Bureau in 2014, Mr. Ajit Doval, became India's National Security Advisor. He's been in that position, sir, for the last 11 years. These legislative and structural changes that he wanted in 2013, we have not seen those happen in the last 11 years, sir. So the NIA, originally envisaged as an anti-terror agency, so the NIA is busy now running its agendas in different states, locking up Indians for supposedly plotting against the Modi government. An 83-year-old man, sir, a tribal welfare worker and a priest, Father Stan Swami, we know how he died in prison, we know the story of being denied a straw. This is what the NIA does, sir. So also the NIA is used, a very concerning issue which pertains to a lot of members in the House on all sides, sir. So in 2021, there were independent investigations that raised allegations that the union government, on over phones of about 300 people, including opposition leaders, judges, politicians, ministers, activists, journalists, it was alleged that the union government had planted an Israeli software called Pegasus for surveillance. My leader, Abhishek Banerjee, was one of those leaders, sir. So in 2022, the matter reached the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court set up a technical committee to examine these allegations. So there is something very interesting that the committee told the Supreme Court. It said that through this entire investigation, the union government refused to cooperate with the committee. If Pegasus was used legally, they shouldn't have there's no harm in admitting it. If it was used illegally, then maybe that's the reason you're hiding it. Otherwise, there's no reason to hide it from the Supreme Court committee. Anyway, sir, surveillance happens, agencies are used. I want to come to a subject which rocked this country about 4 or 5 years ago. The CA and the NRC, sir. So the Honorable Home Minister might remember, he had made a very famous speech at that point before the bill was introduced in Parliament. He had said, आप chronology समझिए, पहले Citizen Amendment Bill आएगा, फिर NRC लागू होगा, सिर्फ बंगाल में नहीं, पूरे देश में NRC लागू होगा. And then he came to Bengal and said, illegal people will be thrown like termites into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, ठीक है. This caused so much concern, sir, in India that his own Prime Minister, a few weeks later at Ramlila Maidan, completely contradicted what he said and said, "Nahi, there is no plan to bring a nationwide NRC." Anyway, Lok Sabha election के time speech दिया था. Eventually, January 2020, the Citizen Amendment Bill was notified. The act was brought in, the CA was brought in. It did not help them in the 2021 West Bengal Legislative Assembly elections. So what did they do, sir? Till last year, 24. For 4 years, sir, the bill was not notified. The rules of the bill were not issued. Now, if the Honorable Minister, before bringing the bill, had read the report of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, sir, he would have found that the JPC has said that the CA would benefit only 30,000 people. The Home Minister had claimed lakhs of refugees will benefit. Sir, as of date, what is the reality? Only 350 people have been given citizenship under the CA. Sir, no discussion on the Home Ministry cannot be complete without making a reference to Manipur, sir. A debate on Manipur has happened in this house. Sir, my only thing is Manipur needed a healing touch. With whatever has happened in Manipur under the watch of the Honorable Home Minister, I really don't know, sir, how he manages to sleep peacefully in the night. Sir, in summation, I just want to say something very clear. No, this is purely very, very parliamentary, sir. I could have said something else, but I'm not. Sir, very simply speaking, sir, the Union Home Ministry is meant to be Union Ministry of Home Affairs. It doesn't mean a ministry आप घर से चलाओ. Home doesn't mean घर. There is a term in Hindi, sir, called Tanashahi. Tana, dictatorial, acerbic, Shah, emperor. What I would like to say, sir, is that this sort of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing. And in my parting conclusion, I don't need any extra time, sir. I just have one parting note to say. My conclusion, sir, if I'll be allowed to. My conclusion, sir, is...
One second. Saket. One second. Saket, one sec. I'll give one sec. Your observation is against a caste, against a subcaste, should not have been made. Leader of the House.
Sir, again I say that the words used is unparliamentary. It names to a caste also.
Yes.
And it is something which is derogatory also, and it should be withdrawn. Better he withdraws, otherwise it should be deleted.
इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है बताइए. कोई ये तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है. तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का. राज्यसभा में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि कम से कम जो मेंबर बोलते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डेकोरम मेंटेन करेगा. और इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 मिनट में, ये कोई सभ्य समाज में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता है. और राज्यसभा का गरिमा को गिराया है. क्या इस्तेमाल करता है? ये कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया है.
Honorable members, you need to wind up.
Two sentences to finish off, sir.
One word is enough to dislocate us. Be careful about it. One word can upset the entire country.
Anyway, sir.
You are going for two sentences. Be careful about it.
Two sentences. This is my conclusion, sir. You mentioned caste. Home Minister insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the house.
Again.
You're talking about caste?
Nothing, Roman.
Talking about caste?
He did not.
Anyway,
He did not.
I want to conclude, sir,
He did not.
by saying only one thing. Sir. West Bengal elections are coming next year in 2021. The Union Home Ministry, if it does not drop this attitude, the BJP will become Tadipar from the state of West Bengal. Thank you, sir.
Honorable members, before I call the next speaker, I wish to again reiterate. Yes, Leader of the House.
I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection as the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.
नेशनल दस्तक की आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर इसको बचाना चाहते हैं तो नेशनल दस्तक को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, फिर बेल आइकन की घंटी दबाएं। नेशनल दस्तक को बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर खबर को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट जरूर करें।